Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about dictionary in Python. So in the previous class I have discussed about list, tuple, set. Okay. So we can use list, tuple, set to represent group of individual objects in a single entity. Okay. For suppose A is equals to 10, 20, 30. So these three individual objects are represented by a single entity, that is A. Okay. So if you want to represent this group of individual objects in a single entity, you can use list, tuple and set. Okay. So if you want to represent a group of objects as key and value pairs, then you should go for dictionary. Okay. So here, if you want to store key as well as key value pairs in a single entity, then you need to use dictionary. So examples are roll number, name, phone, address, or ID, employee name, like this. So if you want to represent key as well as value pair, then you need to use dictionary. So lists are represented by square brackets, tuples are represented in parentheses, sets are represented in flower braces, dictionary is also represented in flower braces. The difference between set and dictionary is sets contain group of individual objects, but dictionary contains group of individual key value pairs. Okay, it will contain key as well as value pairs. Okay. So here duplicate keys are not allowed, but duplicate values allowed. Okay, values can be duplicated. So dictionary object contain key as well as value. So keys are not duplicated, but values can be duplicated. Heterogeneous elements are allowed. Heterogeneous elements means different types of data. You can store integers, you can store float, you can store string, whatever the data, combination of different types of data you can store. Next, dictionaries are known as mutable. Mutable means once we create dictionary objects, we can perform any changes in that object based on our requirement. We can add the data, we can delete the data. Okay, we can modify the existing data. We can represent dictionaries elements within curly braces and with comma separator. Okay, so these are the dictionaries. Let's see how to represent dictionary. So creation of dictionary. So in dictionary, it does not contain any indexing and slicing. Okay, so dictionaries does not have indexing and slicing. So let's see how to create a dictionary. So D is equals to dict of. So here dict is a method which is used to create dictionary. Okay, so normally we create D is equals to flower braces. So this is empty set, not a dictionary. Okay, so if you want to create empty dictionary, then you need to use dict function. Okay, dict function is used to create dictionary. Next, we are created empty dictionary like this. So if you want to add some entries, you need to follow this. D of 100 is equals to Durga. Okay, so here 100 is a key, Durga is a value. Dictionary contains key value pairs. Next, D of 200 is equals to smart. D of 300 is equals to teach. So if you print D value, it will display 100 Durga, 200 smart, 300 teach. Okay, so it will represent key value pairs. Okay, 100 is a key, 200 is a key, 300 is a key. Durga, smart, teach is a values. Okay, so it contains key as well as value pairs. So here keys does not duplicated, keys must be unique. 100, 200, 300. Values may be duplicated. You can store Durga in for 100, Durga for 200, Durga for 300, but keys cannot be duplicated. Or else you can insert the elements like this also. You can follow this. D is equals to 100 Durga, 200 Smart, 300 Teach. Okay, so here keys and values are separated by colon and every element is separated by comma. For strings we represent in double quotations. Okay, so every object is separated by comma and key values are separated by colon and strings are represented by double quotations. Okay, so here the syntax is equals to D is equals to key colon value. Okay, so you can represent like this. Next we created one dictionary. Then if you want to add one more element, one more object into the dictionary, you need to update the dictionary. Okay, so here the syntax is D of key is equals to value. Okay, so here you can add the new key and value into the existing dictionary. Okay, so if the key is not available, then new entry is added to the dictionary with specified key value pairs. If the key is already available, then the old value is replaced with new value. So see this example here. Dictionary contains 100 Durga, 200 Smart, 300 Teach. Okay, so I want to insert one more value into the dictionary. Then you need to specify D of 400 is equals to Python. D of key is equals to value. So here the key is 400 and value is Python. So if you print, it will display like this. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400. Suppose if you are inserted D is equals to 300 of 300 is equals to some program. Okay, so I want to insert a program for 300 key, but 300 is already available. So that's why the existing value, so the value is teach is replaced with program. Okay, so if the key is not available, then new entry is added to the dictionary. If the key is already available, then the old value is replaced with new value. Okay, next, so insertion is possible as well as deletions are also possible. So if you want to delete existing data, then you need to use del. So here the syntax is del d of key, del d of key. So it deletes entry associated with the specified key. So here dictionary contains D is equals to 100, 200, 300. So del D of 100. So I want to delete key as well as value. So that's why I'm representing key. So it will delete key as well as value from dictionary. Okay. So del is used to delete one dictionary element. Next one, clear function. So clear function is used to remove all the elements in the dictionary. All the elements from dictionary. So here dictionary contains these values 100, 200, 300 and so if you want to clear the dictionary, d dot clear. Okay, d is the dictionary name and clear is a function. It will clear all the elements. If you print d, it will display empty flower braces, means empty dictionary. Okay, so some more functions are len, keys, values, pop item. So let's see one by one. First one is len function. Len function is used to return the number of elements present in the dictionary. So for example, here the dictionary contain for suppose this is the dictionary. So if you want to know the length of this dictionary, then you need to use d dot len. Okay, so it will print the number of elements. The number of elements are 1, 2, 3. So it will print 3. So here key as well as value is one pair. So one element, second element and third element. It will print 3. So len function is used to return the number of elements associated in dictionary. The next function is keys. Okay, so it will return all the keys associated with the dictionary. It will print only keys, not the values. For suppose d dot keys. Okay, d dot keys. D contain 100, 200, 300. So it will print, if you print D dot keys, if you print D, it will print 100, 200, 300 only. It will print only keys, not the values. Okay. Next, if you want to print only values, you can use values function. Okay. It returns all values associated with dictionary. It will print only values. So D dot values. Okay. It will print Durga Smart Teach. Okay. It will print Durga Smart Teach. It will print only values, not the keys. Okay. So next one is pop item. Pop means remove. Okay. So pop item, it removes key value from dictionary and returns it. Okay. So it will remove key value from dictionary and returns it. So we all know dictionary does not contain indexing and slicing. So that's why pop item. So if you use pop item, it will delete some random dictionary object and returns it. So random means unpredictable. Okay. So it will remove random item and returns it. Okay. So these are the functions in dictionary. Those are len, keys, values and pop item. Okay. So let's see one more time. So we all know list, tuples, set. Okay. So these three are used to store group of individual objects as a single entity. Okay. But when we come to dictionary is used to store group of individual, not group of objects as a key value pairs. It contains keys as well as values. Okay. So for example, roll number, name, phone number, address, employee ID, employee name, salary. So whatever it may be, it will contain key as well as value. Okay. So keys are not duplicated, but values can be duplicated. Keys must be unique in dictionaries because by using keys we can represent each and every element. By using keys we can access each and every element. Okay. So heterogeneous objects are allowed and keys are represented in flower braces. Okay. So this is the creation of dictionary. You can insert values like this or individual objects like this. Okay. Next, if you want to add one more element, you need to follow this syntax, d of key is equals to value, or else if you want to delete, you need to use this syntax. Okay. So del d of key. Okay. Next, if you want to remove all the elements, you can use a clear function. Okay. So next, len function is used to return the number of elements. Keys function is used to return only keys. Values function is used to return only values. Pop item is used to delete some random object and returns it. Okay. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.